who are pregnant are taking care of themselves nutritionally, emotionally, physically, and mentally, as well as spiritually. If you are trying to be pregnant, same thing, spiritually, emotionally, and everything else. Take care of yourself, pay attention to you, your body, and your well-being. So today I am on here, and then if you are also in the postpartum, not to forget about my postpartum mamas. Very, very important. That is the time that we elect ourselves. But inshallah, I hope that you are holding on to yourself and then to the baby and then doing what you can. Inshallah, may Allah help us all. So today, my simple video is about sharing a recipe. Okay, today's Sunday, I'm sharing a recipe, and this is a beautiful recipe that I have shared over on Instagram. I have the post over there, so if you are interested, you can go and take a screenshot, and also remember to give it a like and then also share. All right, so this is very simple first trimester smoothie recipe that has a whole bunch of ingredients in it that is supportive for you, the mama, and also the baby as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I have my main ingredients, some mixed berries over here. This is very, very frozen, so this is what I have. I have strawberry, I have raspberry, and then I also have some handful of blueberries. Okay, all right, and then I have chia seed, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 1 tablespoon of hemp seed, 2 large majul dates over there to sweeten things up a bit, and then I have a thumb of ginger to kick something up for us as well, and I have banana. As simple as that. It is full of fruit, but we are also adding some high fiber ingredients in it, and then also some protein. Okay, and then also the date is also high fiber as well. So I have my frozen strawberry going in, and then I have just a handful of blueberries and raspberries also going in, and then I have banana. Okay, you can use as much as you want, but I'm using only one because that's the recipe. I have tested it again and again, and it works. I'm going to add some high fiber chia seed inside, and then I'm going to add some also high protein hemp seed goes in there, and I'm gonna also add this to sweeten it. Okay, this is such a beautiful ingredient if you are pregnant, date, especially towards the last stages of pregnancy. I have made a whole bunch of videos mentioning that, so you can check that as well. I'm also going to link some few videos that might be helpful for you as well. So I'm gonna also add the thumb of ginger. Okay, giving us protein. So I'm going to add the protein powder, collagen powder in there. I'm going to add the collagen powder. I added 2 scoops, and then I will go ahead and add the milk. This is such a delicious recipe. Oh my god, it's so good. And then you can choose to add some ice whilst you blend, or you add the ice later. So the ice is melting. I'm gonna leave a bit of it and then add that later after it blends, because I want it cool, very cold, icy cold, because of the weather, for hydration and also for nourishment. Okay, good. So I'm gonna turn on the blender and then blend. It's gonna make a little bit of noise. Please bear with me, okay? Okay, so it is blended. You see, it is very up close, and I enjoy, so you can see it properly. So this is the glass, and my smoothie is ready. See how it looks? Beautiful. I'm going to pour it in. You can leave the chia seed, like unblended like this, as far as it's in liquid, um it's gonna soak up and then give you all the fiber properties and nutrients that you need. So this is the recipe, as easy. Okay, it is really easy. Smoothie recipes are fabulous, especially if you find yourself not eating a lot of fruits and vegetables, and then also more protein. Okay, so you can easily add protein powder or collagen powder. Collagen powder, 2 scoops gives you about 20 grams of protein, and that's very, very amazing. Collagen protein powder as well, but I would give a caution, a word of caution about protein powders. If you are pregnant and you're using protein powder, make sure that your protein powder doesn't contain herbs that might interfere with pregnancy, and then maybe increase your symptoms or affect your pregnancy or something like that. So make sure that you read all the labels and everything else. Other than that, it's really helpful if you get a very clean one that will support you with the addition or the your optimizing your protein intake. All right, so this is the recipe. I love it. Okay, if not because it's a live video, I will blend it even more because of the chia seed. When I make smoothies, my girls help me to drink it, so they like it to be very, very smooth. And then I'm gonna maybe the rest of it blend it to be even smoother. All right, so very easy. Remember, I have the recipe card on Instagram. You can go and check it out, or you can watch this video, the whole thing, and then grab the recipe and make it as easy as that, to increase your fruit intake, and then also your hydration as well, and the protein intake as well. So I hope you like it, inshallah. And inshallah, I would come on next week to share with you a beautiful topic related to either fertility, pregnancy, or postpartum, and then also breastfeeding, inshallah. So I hope you stay well and you take care of yourself. And until next time, please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and also share this video to others who will benefit. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.